Hello, my name is Stacy Cooper, and today I will be discussing wireless networking. What is wireless? What is wireless networking? Wireless is a network set up by using radio frequency to communicate among computers and other network devices. It is also referred to as Wi-Fi network or WLAN. Wireless LAN. Wireless LAN is a type of local area network that uses high frequency radio rather than wires to communicate between nodes. Some of the advantages of using wireless network are its mobility, its installation speed and simplicity, its installation flexibility, and it also reduces cost of ownership. WEP. WEP is wired equivalent privacy. WEP has three settings. The first one is its off setting, which means no security. The 64-bit setting, which is its weak security, and the 128-bit, which is a bit better security. WEP is not difficult to crack, and using it reduces performance slightly. If you run a network with only the default security, where WEP is turned off, any of your neighbors can immediately log onto your network and use your internet connection. For wireless devices to communicate, all of them must use the same WEP setting. 40-bit and 64-bit WEP encryption are the same thing. 40-bit devices can communicate with the 64-bit devices. While there is no extra performance cost to encrypting the longer key, there is a cost to transmitting the extra data over the network. The 128-bit security is not much more difficult than the 64-bit to crack. So if you are concerned about performance, consider using the 64-bit. WPA, Wi-Fi Protected Access. WPA has two modes. The first mode is its personal mode. The second one is its enterprise mode. The personal mode is designed for home and office and designed for the home and the office environment. The enterprise mode operates in managed mode with the authentication servers. With this mode, you can meet rigorous requirements of enterprise security. The enterprise mode requires an authentication server. It uses radius protocols for authentication and key distribution, centralizes management of users' credentials. The personal mode does not require an authentication server. Shared secret is used for authentication. Device-oriented management of user credentials. What is the WPA2? Well, the WPA2 is a replacement for the older and less secure WEP. The WPA2 should be used instead of WEP whenever possible on home computer networks. WPA2 also improves the security of Wi-Fi connection by requiring use of stronger wireless encryption than what WPA requires. SSID, Service Set Identifier. An SSID is the name of a wireless local area network. The SSID on wireless clients can be set either manually by entering the SSID into the client network settings or automatically by leaving the SSID unspecified or blank. A network administrator often uses a public SSID that is set on the access point and broadcast to all wireless devices that is in range. Some of the newer wireless access points disable the automatic SSID broadcast feature in an attempt to improve network security. Wireless routers send out a beacon called the SSID. So wireless devices, such as things like a laptop, can identify and connect to the wireless network. The purpose of the SSID is to broadcast the availability of the wireless network and invite devices within the range of the signal to connect. If a device doesn't know the wireless network's SSID, it cannot connect. So that's why some people recommend that you change the settings on your router to keep it from broadcasting the SSID. This allows only the people who already know the SSID to connect to the wireless network. It's true that hiding or turning off the SSID beacon will effectively hide your wireless network, but only from casual users. This is the end of my presentation. Thanks for viewing.